Okay, so today I got another super easy recipe. I'm making a fried fish dinner, another great Chicago meal. And this is just some catfish fillets that I got from the grocery store. And I'm not even going to season it because I'm using this seasoned fish fry. This is all you need. Do not season your fish if you're going to use this, especially with salt. So I just got some of that and some white flour in this bag, and I'm going to toss it around, and then I'm going to fry it. Easy as 1, 2, 3. It's going to be just like the restaurant. Okay, now we are at the deep fryer. I'm just going to put 2 of my pieces of fish in there because the grease is nice and hot, and we are going to fry it up. Nice and golden brown. This is what the fish looks like once it's done. I'm just going to drain it on the paper towel. Then I'm going to cook my last piece and my fries. Now usually when you get a fish dinner in Chicago, you get like regular shoestring fries or crinkly fries, but I don't have that, so I'm going to use steak fries. Okay, my fish is done, my fries are done. Now it's time to throw it in my tray. So I got my piece of parchment paper in here because that's how you gonna get it from the restaurant. We're gonna put the fries in the bottom first because that's how it goes. Just like that. Then we're gonna put our fish on top. Boom, boom. Then we're gonna sprinkle it with some lemon pepper. I like mine with extra lemon pepper. I be telling them heavy on the lemon pepper. So lemon pepper like that. Then you're gonna get it with some bread because bread just make it fill you up. Like you just be so full. So right here I got 2 pieces, the booty pieces of bread. So you usually get 1 regular slice and a booty, but the booty be the best part. So I got the butt end of the bread. Just gonna throw that on there like that. Then throw in some hot sauce. Usually you get hot sauce or mild sauce, but like I told y'all before, I don't got no mild sauce. And I wasn't just about to go to the restaurant and buy it. And that is it. Smash it down like that. Boom. That's exactly how you're gonna get it at the restaurant.